In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ChatGPT on macOS. We're going to keep this simple and safe, so you can get the desktop app up and running in just a few minutes. All you need is your Mac, a stable internet connection, and a little free space for the download. Start by opening your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type something like ChatGPT download. You'll see a list of results. What you're looking for is the official ChatGPT desktop page. Avoid third-party sites or anything that looks like a mirror or an unofficial tool. The official page will clearly mention ChatGPT desktop and show both macOS and Windows options. If you notice an ad label on the top results, you can scroll a bit to find the organic result for extra peace of mind. Once you're on the official ChatGPT desktop page, you'll see choices for different operating systems. Click the option that matches your computer. Since we're on a Mac, select macOS. That click will start the download. Depending on how the app is distributed at the time you're watching, you might get a .dmg or .pkg file, or be directed through the standard macOS flow. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose your Downloads folder so it's easy to find. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file. Follow the on-screen instructions. On macOS, this often means either running a quick installer or dragging the ChatGPT icon into your Applications folder. If macOS displays a security prompt because the app was downloaded from the internet, that's normal. Choose Open, and if you're asked to confirm, approve the prompt so the installation can continue. If you're ever unsure, take a moment to read the dialog carefully and make sure it references ChatGPT specifically. When the installation completes, you're done. You can find ChatGPT in your Applications folder or through Launchpad. Launch it, and you'll be greeted by the desktop experience that's designed to be fast and convenient. If an update is available at first launch, let it run. That keeps everything stable and secure. And if you prefer a clean dock, you can right-click the icon and select Options to keep it there for quick access next time. That's all there is to it. Search for the official ChatGPT desktop page, choose macOS, download, and follow the installation prompts. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using ChatGPT on your Mac.